Hello guys, today we have to solve this question 3 power x plus 9 power x equals to 27 power x. We have to find the value of x, and this question is taken from Ukrainian Olympiad maths. Let's start. Now let us focus on this term 9 power x and 27 power x. We will break this. So we can write 9 as 3 square and 27 as 3 cube. So our equation will become 3 power x plus 3 square whole to the power x equals to 3 cube whole power x. Now we can write 3 square whole power x as 3 square whole power x as 3 power x whole power square. Similarly, 3 power cube whole power x we can write as 3 power x whole cube. Then our equation will become 3 power x plus 3 power x whole square equals to 3 power x whole cube. Now if we focus our equation, then 3 power x and 3 power x is same. So let's say 3 power x is equals to m. And now I will replace 3 power x by m. And let's say this is equation 1. Then, which implies that m plus m square equals to m cube. Here what I did, so I replaced just 3 power x by m. Now arrange this equation and shift m plus m square on the right hand side. Then m cube minus m square minus m is equals to 0. Now we can see that m power cube minus m square minus m, so we will take m as common. Then our equation will become m into m square minus m minus 1 is equals to 0. Now from here we can write this m is equals to 0 and m square minus m minus 1 equals to 0. So m is equals to 0. Now we will solve this equation. So this is a quadratic equation and we will solve this by the quadratic formula. By the quadratic formula, first we will find the value of a, b and c. So from the given equation, the value of a is 1 and the value of b is minus 1 and the value of c is minus 1. So now the quadratic formula is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divide 2a. Now we will put the value of a, b and c in the quadratic formula. So if we put the value of b here, then the value of b is minus 1 and this minus will become plus 1 and plus minus under root b square means minus 1 square and then minus 4. The value of a is 1 and the value of c is minus 1 divide 2 into 1. So now let's simplify this. So this will be 1 plus minus under root minus 1 square is 1 and this minus and this minus. When minus is multiplied, then it will become plus and 4 ones are 4 divide 2. So it means that it will become 1 plus under root 5 divide 2. 1 plus 4 is 5 plus minus. Okay, now we have two value of m. The first one is 1 plus under root 5 divide 2 and the second one is 1 minus under root 5 divide 2. If we focus on the value of m, it is clear that m is equals to 1 plus under root 5 by 2 is greater than 0 and 1 minus under root 5 divide 2 is less than 0. So anything means if we have a number of real power, then it cannot be negative, means the power of a real number m cannot be negative. So that's why I will ignore this term means m equals to 1 minus under root 5 by 2, and I will use m equals to 1 plus under root 5 by 2. Okay, so let's replace the value of m that we have supposed, where in equation 1 is 3 power x equals to m. Okay, so this will become 3 power x equals to 1 plus under root 5 divide 2. So take log on both sides, then it will become log of 3 power x equals to log 1 plus under root 5 divide 2. If you recall your memory, then we have a log property, which is log of a power m is equals to the power comes to first, means m log of a. We can use this. We will use this property here. Okay, so how we can write on the left hand side term x log of 3 equals to log 1 plus under root 5 divide 2. Now to find the value of x, divide log 3 on both sides, then our solution or answer will be log 1 plus under root 5 divide 2 divided by log of 3, and this is our required answer.